New study is suggesting global warming is accelerating at a much faster rate because the oceans are holding on to a lot more heat than first thought. News 3's Martin Staunton shares the information in an environmental impact report from Skidaway Island.
The new study is out of Princeton University, but the team of scientists who helped put this new data together are from all over. In fact, it's an international effort. But the bottom line is that our oceans are retaining a lot more heat than these scientists previously thought. The study is published in the science journal Nature this week. Data collection on ocean heat retention is relatively new, but in recent years it's been advanced by these Argo float devices. Now there's more information on oceanic heat retention. The study's findings are startling to researchers at the UGA Skidaway Institute of Oceanography.
The oceans are actually where most of the added heat that is happening due to greenhouse warming is going. It's not going into the air, it's not going into soils or anything like that. About 90% is going into the oceans.
Dr. Brandis says a warmer ocean will affect weather in the worst way. Hurricanes will gain strength a lot faster.
I think we've seen a couple examples of that this year where we had hurricanes that were small, and because there's so much heat in the oceans, they go from class 1 or category 2 up to category 4 or 5 in a day.
Many believe as ocean temperatures rise, it will kill off some sea creatures, even here on Georgia's coast.
The more warm the oceans get, the theory goes anyway, that there will be less overall life, fewer fish, fewer whales and dolphins and that sort of thing that the oceans can hold, or not hold, but that can live in the oceans.
Brandis says the data from the new study isn't etched in stone and it will be challenged.
As scientists, we always look at these studies and we go, okay, this is interesting. Let's see if we can verify it in other ways. And that's exactly what's going to happen over the next few years.
Dr. Brandis says that this new data will not only help scientists here at the Skidaway Institute of Oceanography, but scientists around the world to get a better understanding of the impacts of global warming. Reporting on Skidaway Island, I'm Martin Staunton, WSAB News 3.